this big chunk is missing. I don't know. So I received today a package from Ducati and I can start assembly of the front suspension. You see, it is a new piece, so I will be sure that everything is straight. Here is the left footrest. So I just put the new piece of the suspension that I received from the dealership. Now I will screw this big fancy nut. I forgot to put this part. I received this new also. This kit. Now everything is fine because there was a space and that whole thing vibrates, so now it's okay. So I need to unscrew this to release the forks. Nine. So this is the, which is the left side. Okay, this is the left side. What the? Oh my! It's sitting very, very hard. So far, so everything now will be fine. Okay. So the suspension is straight because when this is bent, there's no way to put it here and here. So those 2 points are equal. So I am sure that the suspension is straight. I need to put the second one. Okay. I am very, very happy. Have to go further. Okay. That will be enough. I think that will be enough. Oh, come on. Ducati, please. Work with me. Put on one screw. Now I will put the second one. I know that this looks very ugly, but I don't have much choice to do it different way. At this moment I don't have equipment. I'm still working on my workshop. I need a lot of tools. So I have to work with what I have. Not screwing everything for 100%. When the bike will be on the wheels, I will do it. I will check every bolt. So guys, I have the suspension, but I don't have wheel. I'm still waiting for the wheel. That company have a lot of work, and I went. Now I'm waiting third week. Okay, so work with the forks and the suspension is done. Here everything is working smoothly. No noise, no nothing. The bearings, not bearings, you know, those things are new. Now I will screw the brake calipers. Unfortunately, I received only one bolt. Okay, so the one caliper is done, and I will screw second one. I will check every bolt later, like I said. Okay, done. And guys, I am still wondering how can it be that someone destroyed this in such a way. I don't believe, I don't have a words. I see that kind of damage first time. You see, this piece broken, so that's why my whole motorcycle splits when I try to unscrew this part, because I didn't know that this is broken. And usually the front wheel holds. You can unscrew this, and if this is good, nothing will happen with the motorcycle. And in my case, this was broken. I don't know how, why, no idea, and that's why my bike splits. I cut this, you know, this was broken also. I need to cut it here because this was stuck on those suspension part. I cut it and then it was broken off, but you can see this big chunk is missing. I don't know who do this.